Higher instant electric water heater, stylish touchscreen design. Copper tank, fast heating and long lifetime. Dual copper heating tube is made of pure copper material, increases the heating area, speeds up the heating process and extends the service life of the water heater. The system starts to test itself automatically after power on. Patented shock-proof technology 2.0. The shock-proof icon will light up for early warning, withstand instantaneous voltage up to 4 kV, twice stricter than IEC standard. There are more options to choose from.